Hello students, I Jai Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we will start 7th chapter of computer, that is Introduction to HTML. This chapter is very easy and very small, so we will complete this chapter in this video only. In this video I will explain you the basic concepts of HTML. First of all, I will give you introduction of this chapter. www is a collection of interconnected web pages. A web page is a page containing text, images, audio, videos, and links to other web pages. These web pages are written using a special language called Hypertext Markup Language, or you can say HTML. Now I will explain you what is a HTML language. HTML is a language for describing web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. It means it contains only commands, or you can say tags. A markup language is a set of markup tags. HTML uses markup tags to describe web pages. Now I will explain you what are the HTML tags. HTML markup tags are usually called HTML tag. HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angle bracket, like in angle bracket HTML you can see. HTML tags normally comes in pairs, like in angle bracket B and in angle bracket /B. You can see the first tag is in pair, the start tag, and the second tag is the end tag. A start tag and end tag are also called opening tags and closing tags. What are the types of HTML tags? Generally, there are two types of HTML tags. First is container tag and second is empty tag. Container tags have a beginning and end tag. End tag is similar to the beginning tag but with the slash sign in front of it. You can see the example of container tag. In angle bracket B and in angle bracket /B. In angle bracket table and in angle bracket /table. Empty tag. Empty tags are stand-alone tags and do not have the end tag. You can see the example of empty tag. In angle bracket BR and in angle bracket P. BR means break row and P is used for making paragraph. What are the attributes of HTML tags? Attributes provide additional information to the tag. A tag becomes more meaningful with the help of attributes. You can see the example of attributes. A simple P tag will create a new paragraph, but when we add the align attribute to it, we can set the alignment of the paragraph. Like in angle bracket P, align equals to left will make the paragraph align to the left of the browser window. Structure of an HTML document. An HTML page is also called HTML document. Every HTML document must contain certain standard HTML tags. These tags define the basic structure of a web page. You can see in this diagram HTML tag, head tag, and body tag. These tags are the standard HTML tags which are used to create every web page. I will explain you these tags one by one. First of all, I will explain you HTML tag. The HTML tag identifies the document as a HTML document. It is a container tag. The entire code to design a web page is written between the opening and closing HTML tags. Head tag. The head tag is used to provide some additional information, including title, scripts, etc. about a web page. It is also a container tag. Title tag. The title tag is used to specify the title of a web page. The title appears on the title bar of the browser window. It is also a container tag. Body tag. The body tag defines the contents of a web page. It is also a container tag. All the tags that display text, images, or links as a part of web page are written between the opening and closing body tags. HTML editors. HTML editor is a software used for writing code in HTML, which is used for structuring and creating websites. Generally, there are two types of HTML editors. First, text editor, and second is WYSI WYG editor. One by one I will explain you in detail. Text editor. These are the text-based editors where the developers can write their code and compile them. Text editor such as Notepad and WordPad. WYSI WYG editor. WYSI WYG stands for what you see is what you get. These editors provide as inbuilt interface wherein you can quickly design web pages without writing any HTML text as well as preview the web pages. Some of the WYSI WYG HTML editors available in the market such as Microsoft FrontPage Express and Adobe Dreamweaver. Creating and saving HTML documents. We will be using Notepad as a text editor for creating HTML documents. Follow the given steps to create and save HTML documents. Step 1. Open the Notepad window by clicking on the Start button, All Program, Accessories, then Notepad. Your Notepad application will open for writing HTML code. Step 2. Type the HTML code in the Notepad. Step 3. Choose the File menu and then click on Save option. Step 4. In the Save As dialog box, after selecting the appropriate folder, specify the name of HTML file along with the extension .html or .htm in the file name box. For saving an HTML file, extension is compulsory. Step 5. Click on Save button to save the HTML file. Viewing HTML documents. After writing the HTML code to create a web page using an HTML editor, you can check how the web page will look like using a web browser. Some examples of web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Netscape Navigator, and Google Chrome. To view an HTML document on web browser like the Internet Explorer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Choose File menu. After that, click on Open option. The Open dialog box gets displayed. Step 2. Click on Browser. The Microsoft Internet Explorer dialog box gets displayed. Step 3. In Microsoft Internet Explorer dialog box, select the name of HTML file to be opened. Click on Open button. Step 4. The path of selected file appears in the Open dialog box. After that, click on OK button. Your HTML file will be opened. So dear students, I hope you understood basic concepts of HTML. Thank you.